Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face to Face to Online Transition. Today we will be looking at how can we use a Stream app on a mobile device to create fun videos with all these emojis, annotations, and different backgrounds. So without a further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So here I am on my mobile device. I have already downloaded the Stream app. I'm simply going to go ahead and click on it. Sometimes it does ask you to log in and sometimes it does not. You can actually discover all the videos in your organization. But today I would like to focus on creating a video using your Stream. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus sign. It gives you two options. One is to create one and one is to upload from your gallery. So I'm going to go ahead and create. As soon as I click create, you can see the camera button has turned on. I'm a math instructor. I have solved a problem here. I'm going to go ahead and click the record button. The fun features that I would like to focus today are the color pens. So you can actually go ahead and use these color pens. You can change the background, as you can see. You can add emojis. These are the cool features that, if you're teaching elementary school or even higher education, sometimes kids do like to have some fun in their teaching. You can change the entire background to a black background or different colors if you want to. And as you can see, you can change it to different colors. I'm going to go back and keep it to the camera. And all these features or annotations or emojis will automatically be uploaded into your Stream video. But if you want to focus on something else, I'm just going to clear this up and I'm going to say this is the mic that I use and this is a very good mic. I don't even know what brand it is, but I'm just giving you an example of how you can use your cell phone and all these features and record your videos. And once this is done, I'm going to click pause. I'm going to click the next button. And I'm going to click
the fun features
upload.
That I would like to focus today are the color pen.
You can actually add another video, but I don't want to right now.
So you can actually go ahead.
I'm going to click upload it. I'm going to give it a name. I'm just going to say sample. I'm going to keep the language of transcript as English. And I'm going to click next. I do not want to make this public, so I'm going to close this. And I'm going to publish it. And once this is done, I'm just going to click done. And as you can see, my video is being processed. Right now, my video has been processed. So let me go ahead and click on it.
Button.
I want you to see all the annotations.
You can add emoji, higher education, black background, and all the. But if
as you can see, all the annotations and emojis have been uploaded automatically and they have been into my Stream, published into my Stream with just a click of a button. And once this is done, you can actually go ahead and share it with your students in your Teams or Outlook, or if you want, you can actually download it. I really enjoyed this feature. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to comment below. And I hope you make use of this feature too. And happy teaching!